Hacker hoodie and all. Theo, if you got anything you want to share, please, the floor is yours. I appreciate you. Also a member of the Claw stream team, one of the best stream teams on Twitch. Amazing people, amazing leader, amazing everything. Traders coming in for the. So vets, I learned the hard way yesterday, and this is another good reason. Back up your shit and use Git. Hey, back up your shit. Use Git. No. So now we're doing it like this. And I put myself inside a TV. It's very inspired by Space Ghost Coast to Coast. It's as bad as ripping your dick off and throwing it at somebody. Not really getting a shadow from the fire, are we? Oh shit! You win this time, City. Like you're talking with Captain. Let me see if I could do my Captain impression. I am not the Captain, but my eyebrows also move in a way like the Captain.
Thanks, JD, folks. Be sure to give JD some love.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Oh. No. Oh. Damn it. I'm going to get you. Fine. I accept my fate. And dead. City's revenge. Hot crab on crab action. That's right. You only see this normally down in New Orleans. Bit gamey, right on my head. Rig probably gonna win. Ooh, it's not a bit gamey and Rig. Rig has quite a bit more health, but it's anybody's game. Randomizer. Ooh, oh. The anger is rising. Anger's rising. Who's going to be the big winner of the cats? Oh, Rig wins! Oh, we're back. Okay. I should alter that redeem to have a different face every time. How you doing, Freedom? My balls. Thank you for following. Follow me wherever I go, my balls. And I appreciate that's about you. The mailroom. Coming soon. To a nightmare near you. I'm not I mean some new cat 6 or something, because one of the cables I made is falling apart. Well, not falling apart, but it just keeps getting disconnected from my network switch. At least now I know where to look. Fucking hell. I don't know what you use for enchilada. Why'd that come out like a song? I don't know what you use for enchilada. Whatever you use, I'm going to eat a lotta. Crabs. Captain Krabs. Let's see here, and let's check something. Ooh. And I'm gonna do a really quick. I am going to level with you here. My ears are filling up with sweat right now.
Give me 5 JD.
Yeah, like let's all yeah.
1, 2, 3, team. All right,
See
catch you later.
next time,
All right, yeah, this is a fun game.
That'd be funny if Panda wants to join.
Ease. Sega. It's a winner. It's a winner. I cannot make word come say blah 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 blah. G art. Things are going pretty well. I mean, wow, shit. Effin, go ahead, stretch your legs out, stretch everything that you need to stretch out. Here, I'll show you how the day is gone. The day's gone like this. Let's clear out this cache here. Hours in, and this is what I've accomplished. Yeah. Help me. Hello, good morning. How's everybody doing? Hope y'all are doing all right. What the hell is going on here? Property type is required. So working on this, trying to figure out what the hell just happened. Oh, I've got way too many things open here. Way too many things. Not today, Jim. Not today. Okay. Button type, property type is required. Oh. Guess I could just do this for now. So many things are messed up here. I think I need to clear out everything and just start all over. Look at this. Like all the other and a bunch of empty shit here. I messed some stuff up. What's incompatible? Button, 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 button. Okay, we got it back. We got it back. Now, okay. We're going to look at a lot of different things here. We're going to start like from the atomic level. I think. And just start with the text fields, different types of text, different types of, what the hell am I saying? But first, what the hell, base. Group components expandable. Let's see if that goes under. Okay, button component. See if that worked. How's everybody doing today? It's quiet. It's quiet. Let's fix it. Jake, what's up? Welcome in. So, Jake, I'm doing something with Drupal today. Have you ever heard of it? The gaslight. The gaslight. Is it working? You see that dead horse that I'm beating? Hold on, I'm pouring myself some more water. I think it's also time for some medicine. Pills. Pills. What's up, Fallen? How you doing? Just in time for me to watch me take my pills. Make sure I don't double up on the wrong things. It's hiding. There we go. I always forget. Every morning I forget. Then I remember, like, when it's too late. Okay. There we go. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. We're gonna be fixing up some things here. Cleaning things out. Why didn't that... Okay, maybe I don't need that group. Maybe do that. See if that creates my... No. Do I have to define somewhere where the components... What's up, Oscar? How you doing? Man, welcome in. Good to see you. There's a component, or the... I'm working on my site. I decided to work on my site. Right now I'm trying to organize things a lot better, and I'm using another theme as inspiration here. Oh, I think I know what has to happen. I think I need to disable it and then re-enable it. I'm just making a personal site, personal blog. Something to give me a chance to work on learning newer Drupal stuff. No, that didn't work either. Okay, why? What is going on here? There's nothing under base, list, views. Okay. SDC. What is it? Group. Let's look at the documentation here. Example. Use this key. Okay, so I have the group. Do I have group someplace else here? No. Now this is frustrating. Very frustrating. Because what I'm looking for here is, and it's not all that important, but it's important enough that I want to know how to do it and why it's not working, is this component, the button here, instead of being in group other, it should be in group molecules. However, it is not. Now, why? I don't know. And that's what I'm trying to figure out here. Is it because of all this? Yeah, we've got to do a lot of changing of contents around. But go into appearance. Not used. All right, what is going on here? People. Woohoo! I don't have anything set up for streaking yet. But we will. Oh, we will. Why are there so many versions? Okay, changing that. Okay, so this might be what's going on. Value, component ID, value expression, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so it's ooh. Um. Okay, so I need to look at not the audit, but the devel of it. And then hey, it's under categories. That's right. That's what it should be. Version properties. Active. Now, can I SDC remove version? Of component. Yeah, I did that. That's not seeming to work the way I expected, but what? I don't know. But all right. So I don't see a way to remove old versions other than clearing the database. Which probably isn't the worst thing to do. Where are we on? Drupal CMS 2. Yeah, we're in beta. You wonder how old Drupal is? It is pretty old. Let's find out exactly. Where did it go? Yep. I mean, that was the first version. That was Drees's like very, 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 very rough draft, and then it was updated several times. It wasn't until 4.2 first came out. I think it was either 4.2 or 4.6 that was the like game changer, where a lot of stuff was added that made it like a true CMS. Okay, we're gonna make some changes here.
And I want to see about, because what I don't like is the versioning or forced versions. I'm going to disable here. Clear it. What the hell? I want this to be, oh, I have to move it around here. That doesn't seem right. That really doesn't seem right. Drupal. I have an option in the management. Admin appearance component, media library, no. Right, so that. All right, next. Button, contact form. No, I don't want to label. Right, I don't want that. I want. Wow, there's a lot of broken stuff here. Actually, not as much as there was before. That's good, at least. Okay. I have that. What are you? A test block. Okay, that's fair. That's fair. Right from. Now we got to look at where to go. Theme button. Would this do it maybe? Or should I? Ooh. Okay, so I've got my theme here. I can do that. Shortcut, yes, 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 yes. Then weird. They've got a bunch of stupid dummy content. So I think this might be a bug, potentially, where the themes, it's picking up from the other themes, which this one was a sub theme, but I don't know. Like, okay, got these, got this, got this. Based on Mercury, yeah, that's great. Okay. Doesn't really have anything there that would help me. That's all broken. You're broken. I'm broken. We're all broken. Root components, namespaces. Okay. What if I bonus namespaces there and where did that go? Or where was that in the info? Root components. There we go. And then we've got this, blah, 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 blah. Now, next, here's what we do. Here's what we do. We're gonna it's even uninstalled, it's showing. So what would I do there in this case? Would I go to the info? Pull this out. Clear the caches, and then okay. This is all very confusing to me. Jaren, what's up? Welcome in. Drupal with Next.js. I don't because I don't know Next.js. The question is, do you think a Drupal with Next.js theming is easier? I don't know Next. I would imagine that if you know Next, because I was a big fan of Gatsby when it was a thing, but it was still heavily component based, where you still had to build out all the components. Right now, regardless of what front end, whether we're using the Experience Builder / Drupal Canvas, or if we're using a JavaScript based front end, regardless, there's going to be a learning curve for me to learn whatever the front end is. I'm doing this way because I've been so far behind in all the things Drupal, modern Drupal, for a very long time, and I want to let myself catch up a little bit. But I'm noticing a lot of interesting things, like the folders here. I can't get rid of the folders unless there is a way that I don't know. But plural. Sorry, that's interesting. Yeah, there are a lot of things that I don't know about how things work now. But what I'm feeling like needs to happen here because I need to use default, uninstall that, install. Now let's see how bad that broke everything. Okay, it broke everything. Object value found, but string is required. Okay, there's something weird here. Let's figure out what's going on. Nav primary items 0. Look at him in, Tricky. Okay, so let's make sure that I'm using the right theme. I think there's definitely a chance. The end of the year is a bad time for hiring all around. I know that's not comforting when you're looking for a job, but the end of the year is just bad all around. I mean, right now, for example, I'm off work until the 5th of the year, because the entire company shuts down for a week. And a lot of companies are probably like that. So if HR was on PTO from the 12th to the 23rd, probably means that the 24th, 25th as well. So at earliest, they're not going to be in until today's 27th, 28th, the 29th. I'd say maybe Monday, drop an email, friendly, just checking in. What I usually do in that case is just checking to see if there's anything else that you need from me. Type message, and nothing too pushy, nothing too like, oh, government job interview. Oh, yeah, nothing moves fast there. Nothing moves fast there at all. But still, it would be worth just doing a check-in. Primary items. What's up, Stony? Object value found, strings required. How many times do I have to fix this? I have changed this so many times. Doing all right. Aside from, what the hell going on with this thing? Got that link, item title. Wait, is that for the example one? That's got to be the example. Nav primary, item 1. For item and items, we do that. Okay, okay. Wow, asking about recipes, that's That's actually really good to hear. Yeah, primary component. I don't think that this is.
Do it!
Oh, I'm gonna do it.
Just do it! Do it!
Oh, hi,
Just
Mark.
do it!
Okay, there's a way to do just an empty props, I think. Right? I'm not blurry. You're blurry. No, it's nav primary component.
Poop jeans.
Yeah. Poop jeans. Poop jeans? Oh shit, where's this coming from? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh. Oh, that makes it harder. I think I need to change the filter. But not right now. Oh, there we go. Best examples could give by making paragraph types. It could be for a carousel. I mean, that's not a bad example. I mean, the thing about recipes is it's Drupal recipes are shareable configuration. That's the way I look at it. Hold on, got a call coming in. One moment. Yes. Yes, hello.
Show no mercy.
Show no mercy. Show no mercy. No mercy. Show no mercy. So, Jiren, YouTube Jiren, the was it actually, and you don't have to answer, if it's getting too much, was it actually a government entity that interviewed you, or was it a company that is going to work on government contracts, potentially? Because that's also a big difference. Hey Mac, what's up? How you doing? Okay, main navigation, blog home, but I can't put that in there. So what I need to do instead, okay, so we've got that. The link classes. Okay, actually government, because I've had experiences where, not going to name the company, but I went through several interviews for a government contract that was supposed to be like everything signed, everything ready to go, and that was not the case. And so I waited and waited and waited and found out that it was not, the ink wasn't signed, and that things might not actually go because somebody else was bidding on the contract. And so even though I had an offer, the end of the offer said contingent on the contract going through, and it did not go through. I did not get the job. I think I'm happier now that I didn't get it, but with it actually being a government job, nothing moves fast. The best you can do is not being annoying, but still show interest. And that's why I usually, and I'm not, I'm not the expert. But what I usually do is just check in, a couple weeks after the initial interview, if I haven't heard anything, and just say, hey, is there anything else I can provide? Anything else you need from me? Obviously more professional than that, but you get the picture, hopefully. Yeah, Van, it's tough. All right, I'm feeling the need to go scorched earth. Because now, wait, oh, nope. Now my header bar is missing my main nav. Now, if I look at main nav, should be there. That should be up here. But if I throw it in there, then it's going to show up here. We don't want that. We don't want that. No, these are showing up where they shouldn't be. So get rid of that. Okay, now let's go to the actual front page and see what the hell is going on here. Back to site. Okay, those are appropriate, but not in the right spot. Why not? Just a menu block. Boom, not there. It should be in region primary menu. Oh, I think I know what happened. Because I removed and uninstalled and reinstalled. That's what happened. Blocks. Yeah, and until you have something on paper, until you have something actually saying you start on this day, keep applying, keep interviewing, never stop. There we go. There we go. That's better. You there, though. What? You're the... user account menu. No, we're gonna disable you. Oh, Fallen. Block layout has been part of Drupal forever. Drupal has always revolved around blocks. This is where when you go into a theme and you define your your regions. Let's see, I'm using table 9 as a base theme, so so many folders. Right? Right? Am I wrong here? Huh. You shut up, you. I thought that the regions were defined, yeah, here. Regions, header. So, yeah, you define the regions in the theme info. Of course, if you don't define different ones, then that's on you. Like left sidebar, right sidebar, no, we don't have any of this shit. These are all gonna go away. And then these are the things that you want to apply everywhere. This is like a full page layout. This is where you want it. Now, though, now you can with on a per content type change out, like if I go into a blog post here. No, not there. Structure. Oh yeah, we aren't using layout builder, but you can set it to use everything. Why did I really want to just nuke this and start over. I think that's going to be the best way to go about it. Jaron, have you done anything with single directory components? Asking over on to our YouTube friend. I think it might be under appearance. Yeah, here we go. Use Drupal Canvas for page templates in this theme. You can set it so that the regions, now you can make everything canvassable. But I'm not going to do that just yet. But what I am going to do is I am going to combine my two custom themes. So the newer, like the CMS 2.0 is going to come with the Mercury theme, which is really good. However, it's a pain in the ass to get like the storybook set up. I wish there were a better way for that. Actually, I'm going to check if there is. All right, let me check there. Reaching out to a friend probably busy. It's Saturday, 1 o'clock their time. Oh, Jiren, you haven't been around in a while, so have you seen the talk that I'm giving down at Florida camp? Let's see. Okay, so we got ads coming up here pretty soon, and I'm doing the PP dance. Where is JDDoesDev SDC? What is that library? Base dialog dot SD. Ooh. SDC versions, SDC base. Okay, CSS, that's in there. Ooh, have I messed this up here? Because the components are all here. What's the difference between that button CSS and the one that I have in components here? Quite a bit, apparently. Oh, so these look like the like all in, or the base reset, basically, right? I think this might be, where did this come from? Nope. Umami. Classy. Okay. Weird. All right, I'm gonna take a quick break. I need to run to the bathroom. David, welcome in. I gotta pee. I'll be right back. That was a difficult one. I will admit that was a difficult one. Very difficult. Very, very. All right. Back and back and back. Next one, yes. And our friend Johnson is also streaming today, so be sure to give him a follow. Amazing, amazing game developer. Got a new game coming out soon called The Mailroom. Demo is available. Welcome in, Draco. Good to see you over on YouTube. How's everything? Okay, so how do I build out a component library? I think I've been doing things the wrong way. Drupal component library storybook. Okay, from Vardo. Is it a video? No. So this is part of my whole thesis of the presentation I'm giving in Florida. People want to see videos, right? I mean, you're all here because you want to see videos technical documentation isn't bad, right? It's not bad, but a lot of people are more visual or auditory learners. It's nice to have this all written out. This is good. Okay. But let's go ahead and just follow this from Vardo. But what if I don't want to use video-based docs are better? I think there is a fine, if I'm being honest, I think there is a fine line. I mean, ultimately, I think both are good. Like if there were a video for this documentation, go with it. But I've also seen the other side of it, Draco. The other side of it where the only thing that they have is outdated videos. That's a problem. If you're only doing video, you got to keep it updated. You got to keep your, how would that go? You got to keep your vids updated. Down, 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 down. Keep your vids updated. Down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. Sorry, I'm all right. So what I don't want to do, I don't want to have it is be required in, or I want to be able to see it without being on the Drupal site. I want to be able to like create a whole storybook component library. So with that case, will this allow me here write them in Twig? Okay, there is a video tutorial. Perfect. This is great. This is great. Let's see. Yo, Ipso, come on, man. Medio is amazing, but I wouldn't want, oh. How old is this? A year ago? Fresh run storybook. No, this is the thing that I don't want to do. Yeah, I don't know that it's outdated necessarily, but what I want, I think maybe is not the best way to do it. However, what I would like is instead of this, I just want to have Storybook set up to use Twig. Simple component, Storybook. But maybe that's the way to go. Okay, let's see what Vardo has, or Vardot. I don't know. I don't know if it's there you go. Thank you. I appreciate that. I'm closing in on 2,000 subs, which I never thought I'd get to. I never thought I'd get to 1,000. That was a huge deal for me. And that's YouTube subs, which are the equivalent of Twitch follows. If I had a nearly 2,000 subs on Twitch, holy shit, I'd quit my job. I'd quit my day job. I'd probably wait. What 2000? It'd be close. It'd be close. All right, let's do this. Drupal storybook. Big story. Yep, that was UIPSO. Go. Okay. Wait. For pure front end, skip the module and use Twig.js directly. What the? What the? That's, oh well. Oh, wait, this is what I need to do too. Brush, brush. Gonna enable it. I would make, so, Fallen, do you have an opinion on, I guess I could look Drupal component library storybook, or, let's look at the alternative, Pattern Lab. Pattern Lab. All right, we'll just keep going with this. Storybook. Sure, it said for anonymous, but this is only for development locally. Only for development locally. That's all we're doing. I will remove this permission. I will remove the permission. All right. Copy that. Websites. Dev services. There we go. Ooh, I don't have the twig config. Params. There we go. Boom. What's going on here? I'll still allow it. I think that should be fine. That should be fine. Right, we're under... Ooh, this is under parameters, not services. Not bad, y'all. Y'all got that. Okay. Got that already. Yeah. That. Go. That. Now, to the theme. To the theme. All right, go for oh. Now, ooh, this is where it gets tough, you know? I think because, ooh. JDDev, exec, which, npx. Okay, good. I've got that in here. DDev. Let me make sure that I'm not breaking anything by doing this. Themes, custom, theme. I don't have a... Yes. I don't have a package JSON there yet, so that's fine. Let's go with Vite. Vite! We'll skip the onboarding for now. Sure, I'll go with recommended. Uh-oh. Error, no such file. Okay, so I didn't have a package JSON here. That's a problem. Problem with that. Yep. Okay, let's try this again then. There we go. Now that we have the package JSON, it's going to add all these things in, which is what we want, right? I think. Never know. Did all these already exist over here? I don't think so. Okay, well, this might slow me down a bit. But we're doing it. We're doing it. Colin, do you have an opinion on Storybook? Storybook? Oh my god, Storybook. Oh my god. Storybook versus Pattern Lab? Okay, hopefully this works. Anything new here? Nothing new. Okay. Get rid of that. Package JSON. Do I just Control C out of it? Wait, what? What? What the hell? No. Okay, got that. Wait, what's this? What is this? This looks like maybe River drops boop bop. Boop. Where does this go? This is my beat config. Storybook main JS. Where the hell is that? Storybook main JS. There we go. Components. That. Add this to preview Drupal filters. This looks slightly different here. Set up filters twig, twig cache, blah, blah. Like that, let's, ooh, is it returning twig? It's not returning. Oh. Okay. Save that. Okay, so for each one, then we create a story. So we import the card, we import the data. Boom, boom. I think I get it here. Card props, blah, blah, blah. There we go. Property slot content. There we are. Let's test it here. Components. We got card. Ugh. Called a storybook card. There we go. We got that. Perfect. Now, template. Then card stories twig or card stories JS. What? Nope, nope, nope. Port default. There's this. Okay, so props object required title, title string, title content. Now we've got a title here. This is okay, and then the here and that's weird. That's weird that they have this thing here. Somebody needs to fix it. I think the problem is going to be actually connecting with it being in DDev. So maybe what I should be looking at is the video that Ipso did. How long a video is it? 5 minutes. Okay. Okay, so that is this. Okay, what about using DDev? DDev Dress Storybook. Let's back it up because that looks slightly different than what I'm doing here. File all the stories. Okay. This is really loud. Are there any comments? There's no comments on here, but I want to know, like, if I run it, got stories.js here. Let's save this. No, I haven't saved that either. Is it going to let me access it through DDev? Because I want to know more tips. Okay, we're not going to integrate components in yet. Okay, we got that. Storybook generate all stories. Okay, let's try it. JDDev, boom. No, not rush. What? Damn it. All right, so this is a problem. This is definitely a problem here because this one has storybook in it, but not anymore. Not anymore. Right again. Okay, so did that. Stories, assets. Button.js. CS, that's not right. Components. Should be the SB card. Okay, what is going on here? Let's clear that. Let's do it again. We're going to try it again. Oh, wrong one. Okay. This is not working as expected. Import data from there, export default, press card data. Okay. Then do this, run npm run storybook. Unable. Okay, so let's see. Nothing. Nothing. Aha. All right, so where's the DDev add-on? Oh, okay. Oopsie. Okay, so still this. Let's main preview. Let's do main components. Save that. We're gonna try saving that, and then what we're gonna do here is since it's restarting, we're gonna do the thing where we only use this one to begin with. Now, okay, unequal index, invariant failed, no matching index are found for. So, what does that mean? What does it mean? SP card component, SP card twig. How does, okay, invariant failed, no matching index are found. What does that do? Twig. Oh, is this the thing where, okay. Rush, storybook, generate all stories. Now let's see. Still no. Okay, should we? Ugh. Codex. What was it? What was a command I did? Nope, nope. npm run DDev npm run storybook. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I think ooh. No, it is stories.js. Okay. I did that right. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Fixed it myself. No, I didn't. All right, let's see. Let's see if this does anything. If it makes it better. Why don't I have the music on? Let's get some more. Ooh. Cool. But it's not loading. It's not loading. Why isn't it loading? Okay, let's see. Then generate all stories. Oh, okay. Make sure that the something that I need to do in the JDDoesDev thing and host storybook. Okay, we got that. Big storybook. Okay. Going on here, checking it. Yes, proceed. Let's see. There we go. Okay. Right now. Oh. Oh my God! Look at me. I'm TD, formerly known as Pterodots. I don't know why all of a sudden I'm talking like this, but wow, TD. Good thing that you're. It's weird hearing you without your accent. When did you turn American? This does that. You know, restart. Hold on 1 second. I'll be right back. Yeah. Right. You what, mate? You'd have storybook. How you been, TD? Come on, do something. Do something. I don't have an accent. What do you mean? Sorry, that was offensive. I've offended you. Ooh, that might be a thing. Yeah, let's see that. Eee. All right, so, ooh, that's fine. Stories. Run. Build. Storybook. Everything just broke. What happened there? I have plugins. Oh. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Just a second. Ah, it's broken. Why it broken? Stories, got that. Assets, no. Assets, yes. SP card. We got title, we got content. Okay. You haven't been streaming lately, have you? I haven't seen too much of you around. Or am I just lazy and been missing everything? I try to keep an eye on you, but I've also haven't been around all that much lately either, except for the last like week or so. Hmm. And why is the var dot? This, okay. Plugins twig. YAML. Oh, hey, wait a minute. Yeah, that's a thing. Card from SB. That does a thing. But let's try this. Let's try this. I think that this might be the thing. Okay, what happened here? That didn't work. JDDoesDev brush. Completely understand that. Like 100% understand that. Um, yeah, we got that content, parse card data, components card, a speed card, twig, title. There it goes. Content. There's nothing in content. Um, book main. Add-ons, add-ons, add-ons. Add-ons, add-ons, fucking add-ons. It doesn't. I don't see where the hell that goes. Sort of. Oh. Hold on. Oh wait, no, that's already good. This is vite config. Wait, vite config. That's v test. Oh, bad. Come on. Give me something. Give me something I can work with here. I'm still not getting anything to load. Nothing, nothing. Okay, what to say to do? Restart. Okay, what did it say if it still spins? Okay, running it. Oh, wait. That actually start doing the thing? Maybe? Maybe is it doing a thing? Console, nothing in the console. Nothing in the network. Nothing in that. Everything broken. Uh-oh. I'm frozen. No, I'm not frozen. My Duca, welcome in. I'm not frozen. You're frozen. No, my mouse is frozen. My mouse done died. I thought everything was breaking. Do. That's my entire output here. Aha, nah, 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 ooh, ah, aha, aha, Wait, what's it do? Yay. Dev npm run. Orga. It's going. I'm having some issues here just trying to get. I want to get a storybook library set up here in for my local development. So I can start doing some like so I can start doing some front end dev and like doing the components individually outside of Drupal. What happened here? Nothing there. Let's do another one here. Dev describe. Nothing. Nothing. So I think this whole thing is bad. Readme, DDev, init, type server. Huh. Interesting here. Preview loaded to Canvas UI. How old is this? How old is this file? 6 months ago. That's not bad. Story default. Okay, so this is something that I think the other one is missing. Let's get rid of that. Okay, file name, stories, twig. Where's my card with title? Now, where was the part about DDev? npm init. There we go. Update stories there. No open. Okay. All right. Here's what I'm going to do. Exit. No. Bad. Bad, bad, bad. Okay. We're going to get rid of that. We're going to get rid of all the stuff here, except that you can go. NPX. Wait, it's doing it outside of DDev? Am I reading that right? Wait, no. It's just bad. It's bad. It doesn't have the thing. Review. Uh-oh. Let's see. Let's see what happens here. All right, let's see if I can get better directions here, better instructions. See, where was I there? Ah, do I have this? That might be a step that I'm missing. Lights, vault. Okay. Okay. Save that. And then what do we have here? Uproot site path. Let's use that instead. Let's use the better here. Okay, we got that. There's one step. Wait. Well, just to be safe, pop that in there. Okay, got that. Did this. Server Webpack 5. No. Unless there's a strong argument for Webpack. There's not a strong argument for Webpack. There never is. This might be even better. All right, let's see here. Prepare your instructions, the ones on this post. I have had issues. Okay, there we go. I want to see what went wrong there. But if I can get it to go without using any what the hell? Using the Drupal module, if I could just do it front end style, that would be best, I think. Okay, good. Yep. Okay, well then, we're going to follow these instructions. I'm going to trust these because we've already gone through the other one and it did not work. So sorry, gotta shrink it down a little bit here so that I can see both. Okay, so here we go. Starting off with this. That. And that. Okay, Mictor. We get that. npm create beat. Okay. Yep. Okay, we got that. Wait a minute. Okay, this should work. Never mind. Means I could probably get rid of that. Yes. This is going to have everything in the storybook folder instead, but we'll still be able to pull in the the Drupal. Skip onboarding. Away, away, yeah. I don't think I took a break during the last test. I'm going to take a quick BRB. Stretch my legs. I suggest you do the same if you want to. If you don't want to, well, I'm not the boss of you. But before I do that, let's find another friend to give a shout out to. Just there we go. Okay, we're installing Playwright. That's going to be. It's going to take a little bit of time. So yeah, I'll be right back. If you want to play words, I'll turn that on too. A couple minutes. Yeah, Duka, you tried. You tried, and that's what's important, right? You gave it your all. You gave it your everything. For that, I appreciate you. Nice. All right, so we'll get out of that. You know, do this. We're gonna try. Try. Try not to cry. Yeah, definitely. Of course. No need for thanks. I try to share love with the people who are good, and you seem like good people. In fact, I don't know if Stoney's around. But, well, here we go. Oh, shitballs, it actually worked. It opened up. Hell yes. Okay, the next thing I need to do, what? Okay. Oh, wait. Am I doing it right? Am I doing it right? So it turns out that there was a weirdness with that. Okay, it download wasn't that quick. The thing I took a break while it ran. Didn't actually run. Okay, create update storybook Vite. Okay, storybook main JS. Here we go. Add-ons. Get this in here. Boom. HTML Vite. It's already there. Okay, and then we add in this. Oh, one moment. There we go. We got that. Now, ooh. Yeah, and then add on essentials. Got that. Boom. Yep, yep. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Themes, custom. There we are. I know it's difficult to read, but I'm looking at two places here. Let's just do SB button here to test it out. The button. The button twig. Storage JS. Oh, nope. Save, save, save. No, that didn't do it. Wait a minute. Oh, npm. Okay, maybe not that. Okay, let's find that error. Not resolve add-on. Oh no, not Christmas. Nope. That's where I draw the line. Okay, so in Vite config, I did here. What is dir name? Oh, ah, components. There we go. Do that. We say Mirabelle here. Welcome in. How's it going? $6 and that's a first time chat? Regardless, I'm glad you're here. Hey, where is that looking for? Where is that looking? VDS setup, Vite config, storybook components. Thought I saved that. Vite config. Right. Main here. I took it back twice. And what the hell? Yeah, there's nothing there. Nothing there. Small header. Nope. We want the no. Not right this moment, but if you join in the Discord, put it in, share your work, we can take a look a little bit later. Right now, I'm trying to figure out what's going on with why it's looking here. Wait, what? Oh. Okay. All right. Oh, there's a thing. There's a thing. All right. Import button from, oh yeah. We're getting somewhere. It's you, you're in the way. Oh, where's the thing? Where's the thing? Hot reload. Ooh, hot reload action. Okay, where is that? That's on speed button twig. All right. Import components, SB button. It does exist. It's right here. Where is it trying to import from? Okay, this is weird. Failed to resolve import twig from components SB button twig. So where the hell is it? Is this error coming from? Storybook, preview, nothing there. Main. Okay. There's that. Import button. I don't know where this error is coming from. Where is... Oh. Text. Click me, modifier class. Okay, there's that. There's that. You're getting an error? What kind of error? Oh, I'm getting the error. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry. Okay, it's looking for file there. Theme components, SB button twig. Theme components, SB button twig. Yes. Huh. I wonder with that. Okay, button. Ooh, wait. Oh no, that's not wrong, is it? I didn't think I could do that. Okay. SB. Save. Okay. This is weird. npm install Vite plugin twig Drupal. Am I calling that anywhere? Is that where it should be? Um, did that, run storybook. Okay, now. Where? Oh, we're getting an error here. Okay, so I don't want you to do that now. Now let's go with this. We're gonna copy this. Tommy, what's up? Doing all right. How about you? Okay, we got that. Okay, the error is saying this. Let's see what it says. Config, import twig from. Oh, okay. So that apparently works, but import. Can I find a declaration file for module? Is this a TypeScript thing? I mean, that's awesome. I didn't realize that I needed. I'm not doing TypeScript. Is ignore. There we go. Is that I'm missing twig? Just twig? There we go. Okay. The button is not rendering, and I see this error in the. What is it? What is it? The HMR overlay. Okay. Ah. Okay. You know, I'm gonna change something. Okay. V result when V transforms your twig file, generate JavaScript tries to import the twig, but V resolves that import relative to the twig file's location. Where node modules live, storybook. Okay. See. Okay, I did the name, node modules, twig. It's there. See, did I make the right changes? Let's clear out some of these old ones here. And you know, while we're at it here, I want to fix something. I'm still getting the error. Attribute there. Wig. Yep. Nope. Don't mind TypeScript, but from what I understand, it can have the same use as Python. Writing HTML versus using TypeScript and Python with HTML instead of JavaScript. So TypeScript is JavaScript. It's just strictly typed JavaScript. And I wasn't intentionally using it. It seems like Vite is doing that on its own. But let's try something here. Stop. Don't show again. I just don't. Da-da-ba-da-da-ba-da-ba-da. There, that's better. And one thing, so HTML is not considered a script. Neither is CSS. JavaScript definitely is, but HTML does nothing. HTML is just XML. It's structured data saying how to mark up things. Now you can use what's going on there? You can use scripts within HTML in a script tag. Let me see if that fixed it. What? No. Holy shit, it worked. Click me, click me. Okay, okay. Great. Now I'm seeing. See, I did try installing it. Yep. Where are we at? Let's get here. Wait, what? Where the hell does it say storybook 00000? Oh my god. Wow. Let's see. We're going to find this here. There we go. Jake, you a fan of TypeScript? I mean, I like it. I like having strictly typed, but it's only. Oh wait, what? Let's close you down. npm I. I like the strictly typed, but it can also get kind of unwieldy, in my opinion. But I don't know. I'm not front ender. Let's just remove essentials. What? What? Well, when in doubt. Oh, it's still in here. You didn't do the thing. Oh, you didn't take it out of here. There we go. Jake, do you ever do any storybook stuff? So, I mean, the thing. Let me reinstall something. Their new Drupal is really powerful, especially with this layout builder, or not layout builder. Sorry, bad term. We don't say layout builder. The canvas here. And if I do a I could remember where the hell I am. CMS demo. Yeah, this is beta 2 here. Okay. Dev delete. What? That's weird. But so what I'm trying to show and bring in here is not the byte theme, maybe the byte theme, but definitely the Mercury theme. Yeah, we'll do it with byte. Bite me. Let's see it. Then once this finishes up, I'll show you. I mean, so I'm doing everything the more difficult way because I want to learn it. I want to be better at it. I want to have a better feel for what's going on. I want to know what I'm doing rather than just, oh, well, I can just very easily do it the way that I did it before. No, I want to make it difficult so that I know what I'm talking about. Boom, boom. Burn out. Burn out. Burn out. Burn out. All right, while this is going, I'm going to go pee. I'll be back. Hey, Ken Boof, how's it going? Welcome back. Hmm. Almost there, almost there. Tommy, I think you're running behind a little bit, friend. Haha. I don't know if that's even a word. I don't think so, but we made it. We got it. We did it. All right. So, Jake, I don't know if you're still around. But what I want to do, what my goal is to create out my own component library. You know, and be able to just toss stuff in here. And build out things, mainly because it's what I want to learn. I don't need to do all these things, but like, it's so cool that you can just like toss in here. Oh, now let's change this. And then patterns, no patterns, but the layers, footer, we can add stuff in there, I believe. Further. Oh, they're the global regions. Edit global region. Yeah, now you can change around all the stuff in here. So basically what I'm wanting to do is is recreate a bunch of these, probably steal a bunch of them, but figure out how I can have them as storybook components so that I could see before messing around with them in here. If that makes sense. Hopefully it makes sense. What's this? What's this? What's this? All right, where are we? You know, I've got to stop doing that. I got to stop doing this. You know what? I'm doing things that I shouldn't be doing. Bad for my brain. So I should stop. Now I think here's where I get wondering what the best route to go is. Now, looking at my custom theme here, libraries, I've got my CSS here. Now this is all the base CSS. Okay, SDC version CSS theme. So it's going to have the standard theme. Now for Storybook though, how do I add in global theme for Storybook? Add global styles. Here we go. Storybook preview. Static CSS. Okay, so should be able to just do this then. There's nothing in source. Which is fine. That's fine. Now that's not an actual file, so where is that stuff? That is in my CSS. Okay, now that we did that, let's make a quick little adjustment here. And then you here. Wait, save text. Okay, we have that. And then I can, hopefully we've got text. Oh, I don't think I'd put a button that isn't a link. But let's look at the YAML. This might be a thing. That could be a bit of problem. Press YAML, beat plugin YAML. Oh, wow. Okay. This is not bad. This is not bad to get it going. Now, my and the YAML is okay. Let's see this. I like this. Create SDC utilities. Props prop. Signatories. Props properties. Arg keys. Value title key. Description value description. Control. Oh, cool. Uh, how would that file look if I were to use see if hopefully I put the right file name there, right? Yeah, I did. Okay. Cool. Cool. All right. So what I need to do then is back, excuse me, back way up here. Back way up here. Do that. See if I can figure this out on my own or with y'all's help. Okay, we got that. Now got to go into Storybook. Storybook main. No. Vite config. Right, and add me import YAML from YAML. Oh, that's wrong. I'm pretty sure that I have to. Let's see. Debug twig, error compiling twig file undefined. I'm unable to parse B. Hey, where are you at? Where are you at? My button twig was an error. Yeah. Okay, verbose is safer. Let's try that. Okay, cool. Cool, cool, cool. I think I can do import. Haha. Okay, we updated that now. Now this is not doing what is expected there. Modify class button secondary. Ooh. Then if I do that, then I could change this list. Modifier class. Save that. Now I should be able to see. No, not that. I want to see the HTML for it. Okay, button, primary. There we go. And so that works. Secondary. So that is not quite working. Oh, nice. Very cool. Very cool. Look, now I have a couple different. Can I just get rid of this? I don't want the guide. No. Goodbye. Go away. What just happened there? Did it go in the right place? Okay, better have gone in the right place. There we go. And now... Oh, damn it. Old components. Okay, now let's just button. Just button. Hold on. Nope. Nope, nope. Button. Button. There we go. Okay, now we can change the storybook stuff here. Main. Mm. Where is that coming from? Parse. Oh, card. Get this card out of here. The card is bad. Okay, reload it there. I thought there was a way that I could have them all like next to each other. Maybe not. Whatever, it works. Okay, so then we're going to be going through one at a time here. And ensuring that these things can work. But I think what I'm going to do here is use the components here and grab what I can out of the reference. So we've got that. We've got the this. And I can tell you right now that everything is broken. The beta create project, install. Okay, so what I think I'm going to have to do is basically take this, put it somewhere else. There we go. Ooh, that might have been a mistake. I should be able to just delete the node modules and move on with it. But the site is pretty much dead. Well, this is going to take a while to go back. To see what all. Is that a command? I think it is. Developer mode enabled. Okay, so next stop is to make a bunch of components. I think that's a good plan. What's this? What's this? Oh. Okay. All right. I think that this is a good place to go. All right. We've got Storybook ready to be a thing. So the next step is going to be going through this. And pulling out different things like this is just going to be text. Okay. Yeah. These are going to be text. The hero container will be one thing. Then it'll have slots for the title, subtitle. And then we can put text in there and the text will just be blah, 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 blah. Right? In case you didn't understand that, I said blah, 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 blah. And then CTA buttons. So I don't really like having inline styles. I don't like it. I don't like it a lot. But what are you going to do? Okay, I think it might be time to wrap up for today. Because my CPU is a cooking. I don't know why. I could look here. Whoa, my GPU. Sorry, it don't work with the emotes. Wow, OBS is eating up my GPU like crazy. What is going on here? Let me see. Yep, log. View current log. Anything weird? No, everything good. Everything good. Could not update timestamps for skipped samples. Whatever. Uh-oh.